highly anticipated July issue of the MTD Magazine has now landed on desks. This issue has our aerospace sector report within and is not to be missed. We interview the Chief Executive of the Midlands Aerospace Alliance for an exclusive insight into how aerospace OEMs are planning for post-COVID recovery whilst implementing plans for low-emission flights of the future. The feature also highlights what opportunities are available for the subcontract supply chain. Our cover story sees Rhys Williams talking to the AMRC about the latest progression of its one-way assembly project to improve aero OEMs throughput by automating composite stack drilling in aerospace structures. And completing the bumper aerospace section is a feature from the Welding Institute on friction stir spot welding for aerospace structures to reduce aircraft weight. The technology focus in July is cutting tools, and we have features from ITC, Quick Grind, Iscar, Sandvik, Mopal and plenty of other leading brands that are emphasising the importance of picking the right tools for the right applications. Our machining section has some creative insights from companies like Sodic, Colchester, DTS UK, Fanuc, White House Machine Tools and Grob, whose machine also features on my favourite bit, spot the difference. We also have our industry roundup, the What's New, with all the latest new products, an automation report and so much more. With all of this now available in print, digital and audio, as well as our interactive content, our magazine is once again flying high, offering you greater visibility and interaction with the marketplace. So pick up your copy today.